What's up guys, welcome back to MotorRevs27, and today we're taking a closer look at the brand new 2027 Honda CRF450RX Rally. What if you could actually buy a real Dakar race bike? Straight from Honda? Well, for 2027, Honda just revealed the CRF450RX Rally, a limited production rally machine built with direct HRC Dakar DNA. And honestly, this thing might be the ultimate Dakar replica. Only 50 units will be produced worldwide, and this isn't your typical adventure bike. This is a serious rally weapon designed for riders who want the closest experience possible to a factory Dakar machine. The biggest story here is the connection to Honda's Dakar racing program. This bike was developed by HRC alongside Red Moto in Italy, and it carries technology inspired directly from Honda's factory rally bikes used in the Dakar Rally. Everything about this machine is purpose-built for rally raid competition, from long-distance durability to high-speed off-road stability. Visually, the CRF450RX Rally looks absolutely insane. You get a full rally tower setup, aggressive aerodynamic fairings, massive fuel capacity, dual LED headlights, and that unmistakable Dakar-style silhouette. Compared to a normal enduro bike, this thing looks like it's ready to cross an entire desert stage at full speed. Power comes from a 450 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine producing around 58 horsepower. But this bike isn't about crazy top speed numbers. It's about endurance, reliability, and maintaining speed across brutal terrain for hundreds of kilometers. Honda also equipped the bike with premium factory-level hardware, including Showa suspension with titanium coating and high-end XTRIG components. Now, here's the crazy part. The CRF450RX Rally costs over €31,000 before taxes. And Honda reportedly wants these bikes to go to actual rally riders, not just collectors. That makes this one of the most exclusive off-road Hondas ever built. For years, KTM dominated the customer rally bike segment. But now Honda has officially entered the game with a machine that feels incredibly close to a true Dakar factory racer. So, is the 2027 Honda CRF450RX Rally the ultimate Dakar replica? Honestly, it just might be. What do you guys think about this insane rally machine? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more motorcycle content here on MotorRevs27. See you guys in the next video.